Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to create a Hulu account. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a www.hulu.com and press enter. At the official web page of Hulu account, you scroll to the little down. Here you can see the option of start your free trial. You click on it. Choose your plan. Here you can see three plans, that is Hulu no ads, Hulu and Hulu plus live TV. You also can see the price that has been displayed at down. Here Hulu no ads, it's get first month free, then you have to pay for it, and another one is Hulu. This is most popular and many of the people choose this one. Get first month free, then you have to pay this much amount, and at last that is Hulu plus live TV. That is get first week free, then you have to pay this much. You can go with any of the plans and you just click on select. As I'm going with a Hulu no ads, click on select. Here, to create your account on Hulu, you have to provide the following details. At very first, you need to provide your email address. Now then, you go in for providing a password. Now you go in for providing your name. Now to the little town, you need to provide your date of birth, month, day, and year. Now at last, you need to select your gender by clicking on drop-down menu. After you are done providing all the details, you need to click on continue, where you will be redirected to another page. There you need to enter your payment method by providing your credit or debit card information, and you will be able to register yourself in Hulu account. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to create a new account on Hulu.